Have you ever seen AI make a mistake? Maybe a chatbot gave a terrible answer. Maybe AI wrote fake information confidently. Maybe an AI image generated 6 fingers instead of 5. Here's the crazy part, businesses are now paying people to catch and correct these AI mistakes. Not programmers. Not engineers. Normal people. And this is quietly becoming one of the fastest growing opportunities in the AI economy. AI is now part of everyday life. It recommends music, writes emails, generates videos, creates thumbnails, answers customer support questions, even helps businesses automate work. But despite how advanced AI looks, it still makes mistakes constantly. Sometimes it misunderstands instructions. Sometimes it gives incorrect facts. Sometimes it sounds robotic or unnatural. And businesses are realizing something important: AI still needs human supervision. That's where a whole new category of online jobs is starting to explode. A lot of people think working with AI means becoming a coder. But many companies are actually hiring for roles like AI content editor, AI QA reviewer, prompt engineer, AI workflow specialist, AI automation specialist, AI content reviewer, human-in-the-loop reviewer. The names sound technical, but the actual job is simple. AI creates the first version. Humans improve the final result. Businesses want the speed of AI, without the mistakes. AI systems learn from data. And if the data is flawed, limited, biased, or outdated, the AI learns incorrectly too. That's why AI sometimes invents fake information, misunderstands context, gives terrible customer replies, creates repetitive writing, generates weird visuals, sounds unnatural, misses emotional tone. AI can sound incredibly confident while being completely wrong. And businesses are starting to understand that blindly trusting AI can damage their brand very quickly. That's why human oversight is becoming so valuable. Fixing AI mistakes usually follows a simple process. First, identify the mistake. Look for patterns where the AI keeps failing. Maybe the writing sounds robotic, the chatbot misunderstands customers, the thumbnails look strange, the AI gives inaccurate answers. Next, analyze the output and data. Businesses often discover the AI was trained with weak prompts, bad examples, or limited information. Then comes optimization. This is where AI specialists improve. Prompts, workflows, automation systems, training examples, editing processes. Finally, the system gets tested again. The more feedback AI receives, the smarter and more accurate it becomes over time. A business uses AI to write blogs or captions, but the content feels robotic. An AI content editor rewrites sections, improves flow, fixes facts, and makes the content feel human. This is becoming huge in marketing right now. Companies using AI customer support need humans reviewing conversations. An AI QA reviewer checks replies, catches mistakes, improves responses, prevents bad customer experiences, because one terrible AI reply online can spread fast. Prompt engineers specialize in getting better results from AI tools. They learn how wording, structure, and instructions change AI output quality. Sometimes one better prompt can completely transform business results. Businesses are automating entire workflows now. But AI automations constantly break or fail. AI automation specialists improve systems, monitor errors, optimize outputs, and connect AI tools together more effectively. This is becoming extremely valuable for businesses trying to scale online. Imagine a voice assistant constantly mispronounces your name. To fix it, you record the correct pronunciation multiple times. The AI learns from feedback and improves. That's basically what many AI-related jobs are becoming at a larger scale. Humans helping AI become more accurate. The better the AI gets, the more valuable the people guiding it become. Here's the interesting part. Most people think AI replaces humans completely. But reality is looking very different. Businesses are discovering the best system isn't AI alone. It's AI plus humans working together. AI handles speed. Humans handle judgment, creativity, and accuracy. And because more companies are adopting AI every day, the demand for people who can improve AI output is growing too. The good news? You do not need to become an engineer to enter this space. You can start by learning content editing, prompt writing, proofreading, automation tools, video editing, thumbnail design, AI workflow optimization. Start using tools like OpenAI, ChatGPT, Anthropic, Claude, Google, Gemini, Canva AI. Then pay attention to where they fail. Because every AI weakness creates a business opportunity for someone else. AI isn't removing opportunity. It's shifting where opportunity exists. And one of the smartest things you can learn right now is how to improve AI instead of competing against it. Because the future probably won't belong to people ignoring AI, it'll belong to the people who know how to guide it better than everyone else. Subscribe for more AI business ideas, automation strategies, and online income opportunities.